Make quick money, make easy money. That's right. If you're online right now, you're searching for a way how you can make some quick, big, fast, and some easy money. Now, this is the video that's going to make things clear. So I'm not going to hype you up and leave you hanging. I'm going to show you how this is possible because I've done this myself. This is still working to this day. So if you watch this video all the way to the end and you don't try to skip ahead or skip any part of this, you're going to learn how you can make money as well. I'm even going to show you how you can even double your money using the method in this video. So make quick, easy money online. And of course, it is still working. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, type in easy money down below in the comment section. So that way I will know this is your first time here and you will be back. And for the people that always watch my video, I appreciate you time and time again. I'm really excited for this video because you're going to learn how to make some quick money. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let's dive right into the video. So everybody's on YouTube consistently every single day. Even you right now watching this video, you're trying to find a way how to make money. You're trying to find a way how you can put more money into your pocket. So I'm going to show you, this is not a unique way. Many people are not just applying this method. And as I said before, it is still working and there's people still crushing it. Now, we're here on YouTube. If you go to YouTube right now and let's say you type in horses, you type in horses, you're going to see a ton of videos that's going to show up. Hilliard's horses 2 months ago that has 270K. This 8 most beautiful horses on the planet a year ago, 7.5 million. This is 5 million. This is 3 million. Tons and tons of videos of people just creating, because even this guy looked like he's falling off. So this is like the funniest fails, right? People will binge and they'll watch animals. For example, if you type in cute cats, we type in cute cats right now, you see a bunch of different cat videos are just showing up, like cute and funny cats, baby cats, cute kittens, baby cats, right? Tons of videos. If you type in, right now, if you type in cute dogs, right? You type in cute dogs right now, here are videos, 2.6 million, 30 million, 5.1, 26 million, 7.2 million, 4 million, 46 million, 2 millions. So these are niche that people are already interested in. They're looking for something to binge and watch, and the videos are going to be good. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to search for the cute dogs, cute puppies, and we're going to type in filters. So if you look over here, you see Creative Commons. Now, yes, some of you probably heard of Creative Commons before, some of you don't. Creative Commons is people give you permission to re-upload these videos. So you're going to take these videos, you're going to re-upload them again. What you could do, you can do a slight change on these videos and you can edit them. You can put little text in them to make them a little bit unique, make them your own style, but don't go too much on that, don't go too crazy on the editing side because most of these videos are already edited. Now, you want to change the thumbnail, of course. You don't want to use the same thumbnail that they're already using. So you can find something that's funny. You can create, watch one of these videos and you could take out, you could screenshot a funny picture and you can add it as your thumbnail. Now, this has 1.41 million views. This has 11 million views. Now, if you start this process, you have to be consistent. You have to remain consistent. Most people, they post one video today. They don't post another video in like 4 months and then said, well, I'm trying this thing, make money online, but it doesn't work. Well, hear me out. All you have to do is just launch your channel. And once you launch your channel, if you could be consistent for 30 days of uploading content, I can guarantee you're going to see some form of progress. You're going to see progress. You're going to see people start subscribing to your thing. You're going to see people going to be liking your stuff, commenting, all that stuff. So once you do that, right, the next thing you're going to do is we're going to download these different videos so we can re-upload them again. So you want to type in YouTube to MP3 and you can use this one. It's called YouTube to MP3. Yes, I know I said MP3, but we're not going to be downloading MP3. We're going to do MP4. So you want to, for example, we're going to use this and we want to download this. So we're going to download this just by clicking on the share tab. We're going to grab this. Once we grab it, we're going to head on over to MP3 and then we're going to click on convert. Once you click on convert, what it's doing right now, cute pets and funny animals, it's kind of loading. Now if I click on where it says download, it's just going to automatically just take me to the download section. I don't need to touch any of these things because this is just downright spam. All I have to do is just click on the allow tab. And once I click on the allow tab, it's going to allow me to download it. Now, once it's downloaded, which it is right now, the next thing we're going to be doing, see, right here, it's already downloaded. So if I play it, that's cute. That's really funny. So you can like upload this. You can go to YouTube. I will go to YouTube, then we're going to upload it. So all you have to do, you click on this, where it says create a video, upload the video. Once you click on the upload, the video that you downloaded, you're going to grab it and you're going to drag it here. Once you drag it here, it's going to be asking you for the title, the description, and all that. Now, if you cannot find description and you have no creative juices, you could go to this website that is called answerthepublic.com. So when you go answerthepublic.com, you could just type it in, cute dogs, and you will see a bunch of different keywords that you can use in the descriptions, in the tags. So people are already searching for these. So you could do that, put it in the tag, put some in the description, and make sure you give it a really cool title. And once you do that, just upload it. So if you upload one video a day, which is not going to take you, I would say 10, 15 minutes, if you're dedicated enough to put in the work and make this work for you, if you're going to do a little bit of editing, yeah, that will take a little bit more time. But if you're just going to grab the videos from the Creative Commons and re-upload them, then you should be good. So once you do that, how we're going to be doubling your money? You can make money from the AdSense, you can make money from, YouTube paying you. But what if you want to double your money and you want to make way more money? As I told you before, quick, big money. You want to go over to this particular website. It's called fameswap.com. And what this website does, they buy Instagram accounts and also YouTube channels. Now they just started with TikTok challenge. Now this person right here, as you could see for yourself, how you can make good money. He posted this about 2 weeks ago. I don't know if he posted this particular thing about 2 weeks ago, but he's selling this TikTok account, which is almost 700,000 for $8,000. So this is how these people make money. They grow YouTube channels, they grow Instagram channels, they come on here and you sell it. Like this Instagram account right now, 49,000, they're selling it for 800,000. This is a 5.9. People just selling their channel. So if you want to go to browse and you want to go to YouTube, so if you go on YouTube, you'll see right here. This person, 9 hours ago, he posted. This is the audience. This is YouTube, 3K. So this is where you're going to put your information and people are going to buy your channel, right? They're going to buy your YouTube channel. If you click on this, you could see price. You definitely have to log in for you. So all you have to do is just create an account. You could sell, right? Sell YouTube channels. They do escrow as well. So the escrow avoid you of people doing chargeback or reversal payment and all that stuff. It's just to make things a little bit safe. Because sometimes people will sell your account and anything that you do, you're always going to look out for fraudulent and all that. So you want to build your channel, you want to grow your channel. And then once you do that, you could just resell them on here. So that's how you can make quick and big money. If you're looking for my number one recommendation of how I make money, feel free to check out the link in the description and I'll send you over my number one recommendation. So I'll catch you on the next video. That was make quick and easy money online, and you can get started right away. So check out my next videos coming up about affiliate marketing, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.